Okay, next math. Oh, you read the direction first.
What are these? Can you imagine similar to these shapes?
What shape is it?
Rectangle,
Rectangle,
square,
square,
oval, circle, square,
this is not square. What shape is this?
diamond,
Diamond.
triangle.
Triangle. Okay.
Square is like a square.
Square.
And a square.
Okay, this one.
Read the words names each shape.
Okay, read the words.
Circle, triangle, rectangle, square,
Very good.
oval, heart, star, diamond, crescent.
Crescent. Okay, you read the. Take note. Some of
Of the backstick shapes or circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, diamond, heart, star, and crescent.
those are the basic shapes. Okay. Next. Do.
Let's ask it.
Okay. Color.
This
You have to color this, you trace this, and you connect this. Tomorrow in school, okay? So you have to color this with your color. And this one, you trace it. And this one, you connect it.
I want to connect.
Aiden, this is your activity for tomorrow.
What's color do?
I think you have to color this red.
What's trace do?
You have to connect all the dots.
What's connect do?
You have to connect the dots here to make it a shape. Okay? Tomorrow, that's your activity. Okay, wala kang assignment sa math. Sa Filipino. Filipino. Kasi hindi ka marunong mag-Filipino. Wow!
I'm done.
Oh, you have
I'm
a
done.
homework, oh.
I'm done.
Basahin mo. Kulayan. Pangkatin mo. Kain. Nagpapasok sa iyo. Kabit ng guhit ang mga ito
sa kuwan
o
o
sa
tuwas.
prutas. Say, the gulay is the vegetable and
What's putas do?
prutas is the fruits.
What's kuway do?
Gulay is vegetable. They are both a healthy food. So you have to tell mommy what is the gulay and prutas. Okay? The gulay is the vegetable. The prutas is the fruits. Okay. What is this? Ano to? Watermelon. Ano ang watermelon?
Putas.
Prutas. You have to connect. Oh, connect mo daw. Connect mo yung watermelon.
Goes to
Prutas. Okay. What's this? Atis.
What's this called? Atis.
Atis is?
Kuway.
No.
Putas.
Oh, prutas.
Don't touch.
Oh, ang layo ng inipot ah. Ah, lumabas na. Ang layo naman ang inikot naman ng atis. Okay. Next. This one. Ito.
Carrot.
Carrot. Ano ang carrot? Gulay
Gulay.
o prutas?
Kuway.
Gulay.
Goes
Ito
kuway.
po.
Pineapple.
What is pineapple? Ano po ang pineapple? Gulay or prutas?
Putas.
Okay.
And goes to putas.
This one is cabbage.
Cabbage.
Ano ang cabbage? Gulay or prutas?
Kuway.
Gulay.
Don't touch the
This one.
eggplant.
Ano sa Tagalog ang eggplant?
Kuway.
Ano sa Tagalog ang eggplant? Talong. Say talong.
Daun.
Talong.
Daun.
Okay, talong is?
Gulay.
Okay, gulay.
And where's the gulay?
Okay, next. This one is?
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd. What is Tagalog of bitter gourd? Bitter gourd. Ampalaya.
Papaya.
Ampalaya is?
Gulay.
Gulay. Okay.
Bitter gourd goes to gulay.
Okay, this one is pechay.
What's pechay do?
What is pechay? Gulay o prutas?
Gulay.
Gulay.
And
Okay. What's this?
Pata.
Ano pata? Papaya.
Papaya.
It's a ano?
Prutas.
Prutas. Okay. This one.
Mango.
What is mango? Sa Tagalog is mangga. Say mangga.
Manga. Prutas.
Prutas. Very good.
Oh.
Good job. Basa kayo yung picture mo yan.
Wow.
Napunta ng ang layo ng ano.
Kulay.
Okay. Next.
I'm
Ako.
done.
Kulayan.
I'm done.
Not yet here.
I'm done.
You still have homework here. Kulayan. Sabihin ang pangalan ng mga gulay at prutas na nasa larawan. Okay. This one is, what is this?
What's that called?
You don't know? Rambutan.
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 What's rambutan do?
It's a fruit. Gulay ay prutas po. Ang kulay ng rambutan ay red.
Oh,
You
what's
have
red
to follow
do?
it. Oh, don't. Lagpas ha.
Circle,
Okay.
circle.
Anong tawag dito?
Circle.
Rambutan.
Red.
Red. Okay, next.
What's red do? Red.
Okay na. Done. Okay, this one is
Okra.
okra. What is the color of okra?
Green.
Green. Where's the green? You find the green.
Teal.
Hindi, what here in the color? In your color. You find here. Where is the color green?
Shoot.
Okay, get it.
Okay. Ta-da!
Show them the color green.
Ting.
Okay. Oh, you have to color it.
And
Okra. Ay, ayusin yung hold mo. Hindi ganun yung tamang hold. No, lagpas. Careful. Oh, oops. Oops, oops. Okay. Okay, next. This one is kangkong.
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 Green.
Yeah, it's green also. Careful.
What's that called?
Kangkong.
What's that? Shepherd goat.
Kangkong nga.
What's kangkong do?
Gulay. Ang kangkong ay gulay.
What's kangkong do?
It's good for your health, for your body. It's very healthy food.
What-
So you have to eat kangkong.
What's kangkong do?
Kangkong, hindi pungkan. Oh, careful ha. Nagpas na. Okay, dito naman.
Circle, circle.
Okay, next. This fruit is, what fruit is this?
What's that called?
Guava.
Guava.
Oh, what
What's
color
guava?
what color is the guava?
What color?
Green also.
What's guava do?
As a fruit. Prutas ang guava. Oh.
What's prutas do? What's prutas do?
Di ba prutas makes your body healthy? That's why you have to eat a lot of prutas and gulay. Oh, hold your color properly. That's not the right way. Yeah,
Is that the right way?
yeah, that's the right way now.
And the leaf,
And the lip.
the stem, it's brown.
Yeah, but it's okay to color the stem green. Sometimes the stem is green.
Brown.
Okay. Oops, that's enough. Okay. Next is, what's this?
Eggplant.
What is Tagalog of eggplant?
Purple and green.
Ano pong Tagalog ng eggplant? Talong.
Purple and
Sabi mo talong.
green. Talong.
Diba? Singkamas at talong. Yan yun. Diba? Nagkakantay
What's
ko ng bahay ko.
singkamas? A singkamas at wando.
Good for your body. Para maging healthy ito. Taba ito.
Singkamas.
Okay, now where's the violet? Where's the violet here?
Where's the violet purple here?
Okay, where?
Here.
Okay.
Where's the green?
Okay, where's the green? I don't know.
Here.
Okay. Now the color the talong green, ay purple, and the leaves and the leaf green.
Okay.
Okay.
You're jumping.
Wow, very nice. That is very nice. Wow. Be careful. No, you don't do like that. You do that the one that you do a while ago. Ganun na. Okay, next.
Green.
Green.
And a green goes to the green.
Okay, next. What is this?
Bitter gourd.
Ano ang Tagalog ng bitter gourd?
What's bitter gourds do?
Ang Tagalog ng bitter gourd ay ampalaya.
What's umpire do?
It's good for your body.
What's bitter gourds do? What's
Gulay
that
po.
spice called?
That's riabano.
What's do apple do?
Good. All of these fruits and vegetables are good for your health. Lahat po ito ay gulay at prutas. Maganda sa iyong body to make you healthy. To make you more healthy. Show your muscles na. It will gives you a big muscles. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow, grabe naman yung muscles ng baby ko. Okay, you finish your homework na and then say bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye everyone. I'm going to finish my homework.
Bye-bye. Okay. That's my homework.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I have to do my homework first.